had a discussion with a friend who has been running ads quite new, and then he got his ad disapproved. So he asked me why and how to fix it. Now, first thing first, if you are new to running meta ads, first thing I want you to do is I want you to start Googling and say that what is the meta advertising rules. Read through everything, learn that. I mean, I don't want to go through that. You can actually Google. So a few things you can't do. There's a lot of criteria that, I mean, not a lot, there are certain criteria, obvious criteria that you can't run ads for on Meta. Gambling, like weapons, drugs, and stuff like that. So those are the things that is totally no-no, but I don't believe you run those business. But if you are in some sensitive businesses such as aesthetic, facial care, anti-aging, and all this kind of thing, Meta want you to run as it is. So don't say that. Don't do claims that you cannot support. Don't do before and after comparison. Don't promise whatever outcome that is, well, don't promise any outcome. Just mention that this is a what product. So easiest way to really understand why your ad is disapproved is you just need to look at your ad and say, I mean, what happened? So basically, if you have an ad that is disapproved, Meta will tell you what it is, or they will give you a code and you can actually go in and read about it. But having said that, there are still chances where, in fact, it's still quite common where Meta can wrongly disapprove your advertisement. You can always appeal, meaning you can just submit for another review. Usually it's being reviewed by a real human. And from there, you may have a chance to revive your advertisement. But having said that, before you run ads, I want you to really understand what are things that you can or cannot do when it comes to Meta advertising, because trust me, it's damn painful to constantly get disapproved, because eventually I think about 3 to 5 disapproves, your ad account may be banned. And it's not just your account being banned, your personal profile might be banned from running ads as well. So that's that kind of consequences, because especially if you're in sensitive industry like aesthetic, like I've got a client who is doing so-called this minor facial surgical kind of stuff. I mean, aesthetic, of course, skincare, anti-aging, weight loss, financial products, housing and property. These are the areas that you want to pay closer attention. And I always want to highlight this, which is do not get banned too many times, because it might affect your account. You can get banned from running ads, and your profile as well might become disapproved. So there is a workaround. You can always borrow someone's profile to create ad account again and run it, but it's hassle. All right. And I always say that you need to protect your ad account and your personal profile to make sure that you build a healthy relationship with Meta, especially if you mean business. You want to do this for long run, because restarting again it's real pain. So this is really something that I want to encourage you to do. So basically, how to fix it when you have an ad that is being disapproved, you can actually do what are the changes that they recommend you to do, and then you can resubmit again and go to another review. If it's banned again, they will come back to you and say that no, this is still disapproved, and then you need to do another one. So, but like the steps is read whatever that you can or cannot do first, and then after that, avoid making mistakes. And then just change the ad and just request for review, and from there things should be good. And like I say, protect your ad account, protect your profile. But having said that, if you need help, and then you have been doing this for a while, and then you kind of like get it disapproved, you do not know why you are being disapproved, because sometimes Meta can be quite, difficult to navigate. They give you some link, and then you still find it. No, this is not right. My ad is not the problem. I want to really know why am I being disapproved. Well, you can scan this QR code. You can book a one-on-one session with me. We can analyze your campaign. We can look at your ad, and we can try to see what really happened to the product or the advertisement itself. And I will probably give you some hopefully useful recommendation on what are the things that you can do, or like avoid using this. There are certain words that you can't use as well when it comes to copywriting. But usually it's the ad creative. Usually it's the image or the video that can be the problem. So if you kind of like really can't find why, and you want another pair of eyes to look at it, you can scan this QR code, and we can have a 30-minute discussion. You can share your screen, and then we can look through that together. It's actually very straightforward. So yeah, if that's something that you're looking for, then scan this QR code, and I look forward to work with you.